Sandra loved the world. She loved the green trees. She loved the blue sky. She loved the clean air. She loved the bright sun. She loved the earth. One day, Sandra saw something sad. She saw trash on the ground. She saw plastic bottles. She saw paper cups. She saw plastic bags. The park was dirty. Sandra was sad. She loved the park. She loved to play in the park. She loved to see the green grass. She loved to see the tall trees. Now the park was dirty. Sandra decided to do something. She wanted to help the environment. She wanted to clean the park. She told her friends. "Let's clean the park," she said. Her friends said, "Okay." They went to the park. They brought big bags. They brought gloves. They were ready to work. First, they picked up the trash. They picked up the plastic bottles. They picked up the paper cups. They picked up the plastic bags. They picked up all the trash. They worked hard. They worked for a long time. They filled many bags with trash. After they finished, the park was clean. It looked beautiful again. The grass was green. The trees were tall. The air felt fresh. Sandra and her friends were happy. They helped the environment. They cleaned the park. "We helped the earth," Sandra said. Her friends said, "Yes." They learned something important. They learned that they can help the environment. They learned that they can make a difference. The next day, Sandra and her friends did something else. They planted trees. They planted small trees. They planted many trees. They knew that trees are important. Trees clean the air. Trees give us shade. Trees are homes for animals. They watered the trees. They took care of the trees. They watched the trees grow. Sandra learned more about the environment. She learned about recycling. She learned about saving water. She learned about saving energy. She told her family. She told her friends. She told everyone she knew. "We need to take care of our planet," she said. "We need to protect the environment." Her family helped her. Her friends helped her. Many people helped her. They started recycling at home. They started saving water. They started saving energy. They used less plastic. They used reusable bags. They used reusable bottles. They walked or rode their bikes instead of driving. They saved gasoline. They helped the air. Sandra felt good. She was helping the environment. She was making a difference. She knew that everyone can help. Even small things can make a big difference. If everyone helps, the world will be a better place. The air will be cleaner. The water will be cleaner. The land will be cleaner. Sandra continued to help the environment. She always remembered what she learned. She always tried to do her best. She knew that the earth is important. The earth is our home. We need to take care of it. We need to protect it. Sandra loved the earth. She loved the green trees. She loved the blue sky. She loved the clean air. She loved the bright sun. She loved the earth. And she knew that by working together, everyone could help keep the earth beautiful and healthy for a long, long time. It was everyone's responsibility to take care of the environment. Even small actions repeated by many people could make a big difference. Sandra knew this, and she would continue to do her part.